What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, you should definitely subscribe. For today's video, we are gonna be unboxing yet another Ariana Grande perfume. Miss Ariana is adding another fragrance to the Love Notes collection. If you guys did not know, Ariana has a collection of fragrances called Love Notes. Pink Woods was the signature scent that was released in the United States, and then there were perfumes kind of sprinkled throughout the world. I am lucky enough to own the Vanilla Suede one as well. One of my good friends, Megan, actually picked this up for me in London. I am so grateful that she did that for me. It smells incredible, and honestly, I don't even use it that much because I don't want to go through it and have to worry about how I'm going to repurchase it. But now Ariana has announced that she has a new fragrance coming to the Love Notes collection, and it is called Plush Vanilla. It's going to be in a similar bottle to this one, only the bottle itself is purple. So I'm so excited to smell it, to see the bottle, to see the packaging. I don't even know what the box is going to look like. I don't know if it's going to look just like the other Love Notes box or if it comes in new packaging. I don't know. My best friend Timmy was in town this week, and we did try to go to Sephora yesterday to see if they would sell us one early, but unfortunately they were like, nah girl, no. So here we are. The day has finally come. It is available in Sephora stores, and my sister and I are gonna go pick it up. I wanted to take you guys with me, so let's go. You have the little tester thing? I'm gonna put my nail back on real quick because I need both my good thumbs for this. Oh my god, I can't wait to smell it. This is me. Like, this is actually me right now. Brief intermission. And they have the travel size one too. Oh my god, I also need new mod vanilla. I'm gonna do a smell test. Yeah. It smells good.
Oh, I like that. I'm gonna have to get one. Oh my god, it's like candy. It's like so sweet.
Love it. Thank you.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you so much. You too.
They also sell some macaroons at Charles.
Oh, nice.
That would be cute for your video to like put macaroons.
I know,
around
that's
it.
a good idea. Okay, you guys, I'm with Maddie. We got the goods. It smells so good. Maddie just opened hers and unboxed hers. Look at this perfume. The packaging is stunning. Plush Vanilla by Ariana Grande. Roman numeral 5 right here, because this is the 5th Love Note in the collection. I'm so excited to get home and open her up and spray her all over my bedroom.
I want our house to smell like this.
I know. We got the goods. I am so excited to open her. As you guys just saw, me and Maddie ran to Sephora and we got to smell the tester perfume, and we each purchased a bottle. She is gorgeous. I am so obsessed with the packaging. I love how it has her full Love Notes spread. For comparison, this right here is the previous Love Notes box. Pretty similar other than the font of the actual perfume. And this one now has some hearts added to it, which I love. On the top, it has a Roman numeral, which you guys will see better in a minute when I actually take this out of the plastic. But each perfume has a Roman numeral for which number it is in the collection of Love Notes. Personally, I'm kind of happy she stuck with this same theme of packaging, and I love the whole concept of the Love Notes. I think it's just really cute. And of course, it smells heavenly. I was so excited when I heard the notes, but smelling it in person was even better than I imagined. This does feel weird because usually when I do these perfume reviews, it's completely blind. It's complete first impressions. Usually I'm not smelling them first. Typically, Ariana's perfumes come out with Ulta, and they usually do a free gift if you order the perfume. This perfume is a Sephora exclusive, but it's okay. I will take it. I'm so excited to have a new perfume. So without further ado, let's unbox her. It is so stunning. It's crazy how we're evolving from pink perfumes and packaging to now purple. And it has me wondering if she's kind of paying homage to Glinda. In the first movie, Glinda was so pink, and then in the second movie, she's gonna be kind of shifting towards more of like a blue lavender aesthetic. She is stunning. Wow. The purple glass bottle is so gorgeous. I also love how these perfumes have the notes on the front of it. That to me is so helpful. I wish all perfumes had that. Here we have it, the Love Notes Plush Vanilla brand new fragrance by Ariana. So gorgeous. This right here is the 4.2 fluid ounce bottle. It retails for $80 US. The Love Notes are Ariana's biggest perfume. Most of her other ones are around 3 ounces. Let's give her a smell. smells so good. This is the closest she has gotten to making another cloud perfume. I feel like this is cloud mixed with the Pink Woods Love Notes, which I am obsessed with both. This definitely has the more sexy, adult, feminine smell to it that Pink Woods has, but also I smell cloud. Like when I first spray it, I smell just the most gorgeous marshmallow scent. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm so obsessed with this one. I love all of Ariana's perfumes and I buy every single one for collective purposes. There are some that I have loved. There are some that I honestly will never repurchase, but this one smells so gorgeous. I feel like it's love at first sniff. And not that I ever want one to smell just like Cloud, because obviously Cloud is her own entity. I have her right here, Miss Cloud, my number one. It just smells so yummy and warm and like vanilla, but it also smells so mature and like sexy and just like such a good perfume all around. This fragrance centers on a vanilla accord complemented by creamy sandalwood, warm amber, airy orange blossom, sugared petals, and cashmere woods. This scent aims to evoke a soft and cozy vanilla experience with a modern gourmand character. This perfume is a smash, Ariana. You did it with this one. This one is going to creep its way up into my favorites. I'm already so excited to douse this all over my room, and I'm even more excited to mix these two. I love my girl Cloud. She is my day one. I just will never forget when I first opened this perfume. It literally was love at first sniff. I'm not even kidding. I have loved it ever since. I've purchased so many Cloud perfumes. I honestly don't even want to know how many because it'd probably make me sick the amount of money I've spent on it. I can confidently say that this perfume is going to give Cloud a run for her money. I mean, I use the other Love Notes that I own so much. They are a completely different scent family, honestly. Even the Vanilla Suede perfume isn't as fully warm and gourmand as this one is. I am very curious though to see how long it lasts on the skin. My wrist that I sprayed in the store hours ago still smells really good, and honestly my dogs have all been sniffing this part of my arm, which is weird because usually they don't pick up on perfumes, but all of my dogs have been sniffing my arm as well, so I think even they're a fan. I feel like this perfume is for all my Cloud loving girlies who are now grown up and need a little bit more of an adult version of Cloud. Let's do a few more sprays for good luck. Delicious. I forgot to show you guys, Maddie and I went to the store and grabbed macaroons. The advertisement in Sephora had macaroons surrounding the perfume, and honestly we were like, let's go get macaroons. Cheers to the new fragrance. Delicious. There we have it for my unboxing of the brand new Plush Vanilla perfume by Ariana Grande. Before we go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. Thank you so much for your love and support. And if you guys want to be a future shout out, just make sure you are following me and commenting on my posts, and I'll be choosing a random comment for the next shout out. Thank you guys again so much for watching my unboxing of the new Ariana Grande perfume. I'm dying to talk to you guys about it, so please let me know what you think down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.